that's the way of the rain. It comes and gives no pain. And that's the way of the rain. It makes us more humane. Light can hide what's inside. Here comes our cloud guide. He'll see through that we make it out of here. Light can hide us indoors. Light can hide us when the rain pours. That's the way of the rain. It changes the terrain. And that's the way of the rain. Here comes a hurricane. That's the way of the rain. Changes the terrain. That's the way of the rain. Here comes a hurricane. That's the way of the rain. It changes